Hello guys, welcome back to another episode with Crick Beyond, where a bunch of inexperienced club cricketers are reviewing experienced champs out there. Here we are back with our preview series, previewing the match. Match number 45, the MI versus LSG game between fifth and sixth position. MI after that win, went up LSG there, and both teams are having 5 wins from 9 games, but they both are seeming to head in the opposite direction. एलएसजी जीतने के वहां से हार रही है और एमआई हार रही थी, वो जीतने लगी है. सो आई थिंक कि इन halfway stage MI and LSG find themselves at same junctions, but both are going opposite ways. LSG going downwards and MI moving upwards there. Both of the teams are in the middle of the points table and very nicely placed there. So, and from 5 wins, 5 players have won man of the match for them. So for MI, it has been Ashwini Kumar, Karan Sharma, Will Jacks, Rohit Sharma, and Trent Bolt. And for LSG, it has been Shardul Thakur, Digvesh Rathi, Nicholas Puran, Aidan Markram, and Avesh Khan. So that way, the things have been different for both the teams. So MI had a very slow start, losing 4 of 5 games, but with 4 successive wins, then they are looking up for them. Rohit has returned to form with 2 successive 70 score. बोल्ट इज अगेन मेकिंग बोल्ट ने वापस विकेट्स लेना चालू किया है अपफ्रंट. यू नो एंड दैट में भी वो डाल रहा है. जसप्रीत बुमराह इज बैक विद हिज यूजुअल बिजनेस, स्टॉपिंग द रन्स देयर. सो I don't think so कि Mumbai has anything to look out for it. And when the big players have started clicking for them at the right time, also umpires are helping them out with the decisions there. So बहुत सारी चीजें मुंबई के वे में हो रही है. You know, and with that momentum, they are coming to Wankhede. And LSG have faced 2 defeats in the last 3 games. They did win 3 in a row. But, after a shaky start, Rishabh Pant and David Miller are yet to fire, making their middle order one of the weakest there. And, Puran has scores of, का बहुत अच्छा start किया. Puran is now having scores of 8, 11, and 9 in
Top
last 3 innings. So that has exposed the
top
middle
three for
order.
LSG. I would say top three for LSG versus it's top three of LSG versus the top three bowling of Mumbai Indians. Bumrah, Bolt, and Chahar.
Agree. So I agree with that point. Top three batsmen versus the top three bowlers. So that is a very big thing there, और बहुत ही great है. But I think Puran का form is going to be a concern there. And LSG के favor में what is there is that is in their head-to-head record against MI, it is 6-1. They have won 6 and MI has just won 1. So यू नो एंड इसके पहले का भी दिन आता है जहाँ पे एमआई ने तिलक वर्मा को रिटायर हर्ट किया था इन द अनसक्सेसफुल चेस. बट दिस टाइम एमआई इज प्लेइंग एट होम वेयर दे हैव 3 विंस इन 4 outings so far. So
I feel like this is the best time, or I will say the best. It will be the best pitch for Rishabh Pant and David Miller to be back in form because ground भी छोटा है, pitch भी पाटा ही रहते. It's like a flat pitch. रोहित शर्मा भी यही ग्राउंड से यही पिच से फॉर्म में आया था. तो लेट्स होप कि ऋषभ पंत एटलीस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं बट शो सम इंटेंट और कॉन्फिडेंस में रहेगा. नॉट लाइक लास्ट मैच की जैसे कि ही विल कम टू बैट विद 19th ओवर 20th ओवर कि जब भी
he's
कोई है भी
that
नहीं
is that is
करेगा.
showing his lack of form. He's trying to copy Thala, his mentor there. So that is some lack
But
of form.
Thala is always coming lower down the order. He's never come lower down the order.
I agree to your point, but I think T20 is not a game for Rishabh Pant there. And I think last two games में if you see आयुष बदनी को impact player first innings में ही लाना पड़ा और मयंक यादव को चांस ही नहीं मिला. He has been benched. So that is again a wonder that why is Mayank Yadav not in the playing 11 and Prince Yadav is still playing. Avesh Khan is there. And uh, other players are playing in. Why is he not featuring in the 11? Is it something to do with his fitness still? What is the concern? So that is a very big question. And I don't think so. They will, tinker with any of the combination because they are winning. So I don't think so. That is going to be an issue there. And I think there are 2 players in spotlight for both the teams. One is Surya Kumar Yadav. सूर्य कुमार यादव के फॉर्म के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें हो रही थी जब यहाँ पे फरवरी में इंग्लैंड के सामने ही जस्ट मैनेज 28 runs in 5 T20s at a strike rate of 116. Since then, he has played 9 innings in IPL and scored at least 25 runs in each of them. Overall, he is a leading run getter for MI. 373 runs है उसके strike rate of 166. The only missing thing is that उसका कोई बड़ा सा नॉक नहीं आ रहा है. So that is the only thing that is missing. Ki they are waiting for him to fire, and he is ready to do that. And for Rishabh Pant, this is the being the ऋषभ पंत के फॉर्म का एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न है बिकॉज 2026 T20 वर्ल्ड कप के पहले यू नो ये एक आईपीएल है जहाँ पे ऋषभ पंत ने मतलब पूरा फ्लॉप हो गया है. ही हैज जस्ट 106 रन्स इन 8 innings at a strike rate of 96.36. 5 times he has been dismissed in single figures. He is coming at number 7 after an animated chat with, team mentor Zahir Khan did not paint a good picture either. So they both were not at all on the same page there. So coming at number 7 is not, what Pant should do. And with Pant struggling and Miller not getting enough balls to face, should LSG have Miller at 4 and Pant down the order is my question for you now. बिकॉज
But
मिलर को बॉल्स मिल नहीं रहे और पंत वैसे भी स्ट्रगल कर रहा है और बॉल्स वेस्ट करके विकेट ही दे रहा है. तो शुड दे एक्सचेंज देयर पोजीशंस देयर, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
I I feel yeah they should, but पता नहीं to be, but मैं तो like I'm in that frame of mind कि give Pant number 4 position because it's high time he should be back in 5. Give him some game time. So I don't think they will tinker with that. But one more like issue which I feel is definitely the form of Ravi Bishnoi as well. Why they are not giving chance to Shahbaz Ahmed who can bat also.
आई
क्योंकि रवि
एग्री
बिश्नोई भी
टू.
विकेट नहीं ले रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो
नहीं,
रहा है.
आई एग्री टू योर पॉइंट देयर, बट या आई थिंक that is going to be issue. And आज मुंबई के सामने बुमराह is having a favorable matchup against Pant. 46 ball 55 रन 7 dismissals. उसने पूरन को भी 18 बॉल्स में 2 बार डिसमिस किया है, 13 रन देके. मिचेल सैंटनर रेयर लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर टू हैव सक्सेस अगेंस्ट पूरन. ही हैज डिसमिस्ड हिम ट्वाइस इन 20 balls while giving just 25 runs. हार्दिक पांड्या और अवेश खान का मैचअप है. 37 बॉल्स में 3 times अवेश खान ने पांड्या को आउट किया 32 रन देके. Rohit Sharma 76 not out in 17 last 2 innings. This is the first time since 2016 that he has scored back-to-back 50s in IPL. मतलब 9 साल बाद रोहित शर्मा का वो पुराना वाला रोहित शर्मा देखने मिल रहा है. And among those who have bowled at least 5 overs in that, Rathi 7.66 has the best economy, followed by Bumrah 7.75, and Hardik is at the bottom of list with the worst economy of 16.20. So that is also a very big thing. एंड MI ने हर मैच में फील्डिंग लिया है बिकॉज रेस्ट्रिक्टेड स्कोर बिलो सामने वाली टीम को वो लोग बिलो पार स्कोर के नीचे रेस्ट्रिक्ट करते थे. एंड आई थिंक आज का मैच इज हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड आफ्टरनून, सो आई थिंक दे कुड चेंज द स्ट्रेटेजी देयर. बट आई थिंक LSG इज हैविंग अ अपर हैंड देयर बिकॉज उन्होंने MI के सामने 6 versus 1 है. तो आई थिंक दे विल डेफिनेटली हैव अ अपर हैंड देयर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. तो वो लोग डेफिनेटली सोचेंगे कि व्हाट बेटर दे कैन डू देयर. एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी बिग थिंग. रोहित शर्मा के बारे में बहुत बातें हो रही है. फर्स्ट 4 games में 38 रन एंड देन 190 इन द नेक्स्ट 4. He is looked in great touch, and MI has won after that all the games. So again, if you see, this IPL is all about batsmen. When we were talking, MI नहीं जीत रहा था तो रोहित स्कोर नहीं कर रहा था. And जब रोहित स्कोर करना स्टार्ट कर रहा है, MI has started winning the game. So that is again the same story for all the teams. If you bat well, your openers are doing well, you will definitely win the games. एंड केरन पोलार्ड का वीडियो भी MI ने डाला था जहाँ पे ही वाज ट्रोलिंग रोहित शर्मा. नीड टू ही वाज टेलिंग दैट टीम आई टोल्ड यू सो. जब सब लोग रोहित को ड्रॉप करने की बात कर रहे थे तब पोलार्ड हैड वेरी वेरी अनदर उसके बारे में बहुत अलग ओपिनियन था उसका रोहित को लेके. LSG is definitely going to struggle, I feel, because the way they don't have an international bowler in there. So I think LSG is definitely going to face everything, you know, after this. And bowling has, bowling though has been LSG's calling card. Shardul Thakur, Ravesh Khan, Prince Yadav, Ravi Bishnoi, Digvesh Rathi all have delivered. More so the spinners who are second most successful in group. So CSK के बाद उनका ही नाम आता है. Although CSK is at bottom of the table. So, and I think Bishnoi will face the biggest challenge against Rohit and Surya Kumar Yadav at Wankhede for sure. So I think Dew is not going to be a factor. Head to head is 1 versus 6. We already discussed that. करण शर्मा के ऊपर कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है. He broke his webbing, मतलब उसका वेब फट गया था. He took stitches there. So that will be a great thing.
But I don't think Mumbai Indians will make any changes. Just LSG को I feel they need some changes. कुछ भी करके they should bring in. I feel Shahbaz Ahmed and also Shamar Joseph को try करना चाहिए. I'm not able to understand why they are not trying Shamar Joseph.
I don't know what is wrong with them, but I think everything for LSG is revolving around Aiden Markram, Mitchell Marsh, and Nicholas Puran. अगर ये तीन कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे, then it is all going. And Ayush Badoni, because he's been an impact player there. अगर ये लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे, तो that is definitely creating some issues. LSG have had जो 4 विकेटलेस बैटिंग पावर पे, मतलब LSG बैटिंग पावर में कोई विकेट ही नहीं लेके दे रहा है. That is again a very big concern. And LSG have hit most sixes this season thanks to Nicholas Puran. 86 sixes उन्होंने मारे हैं. So I think it is going to be overall a good match. Batsmen are in form, so it will be very good. Ki Aiden Markram the form mein he is batting and Mitchell Marsh is batting with the in form pacers of Deepak Char, Trent Bolt, and Jasprit Bumrah. That will be definitely a very key thing to watch out for. So let's discuss about the players to watch out for. What do you think?
I feel आज पता नहीं क्यों पंत फॉर्म में आ सकता है एंड अनदर वन विल बी रोहित शर्मा द लाइक बैक टू बैक 50s he can make it to 3 होम ग्राउंड है.
Agreed, agreed. I am feeling that today
Sir, like
Nicholas.
for me to be honest, it player to watch out for से अच्छा I want ऋषभ पंत to be back in form. At least LSG के जान में कुछ तो जान आएगा वैसा.
So I think for me, players to watch out for will be definitely Nicholas Puran. He will definitely be very challengeable player. उसका इतने सारे matchups है, तो definitely I think he will be challenged in these situations. And the next player I think will be Hardik Pandya, because दो मैच से he has not been looking in that great touch. उसका बैटिंग नहीं आ रहा, bowling में he is not doing that good. So I think it will be Pandya and Nicholas Puran to watch out for. Who are you backing? कौन जीतेगा?
It's 50-50. I am not sure. I feel Mumbai Indians with the momentum they have, Mumbai Indians ही जीतेगा.
तो आई एम गोइंग विद LSG. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. मुझे चाहिए कि ऋषभ पंत थोड़ा फॉर्म में आए और वहां पे मुंबई को थोड़ा और टफ फाइट हो बिफोर दे गो टू इजीली मेक इट टू प्ले ऑफ. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई एम जस्ट सपोर्टिंग LSG. So I think it's 1-1 LSG versus MI. Let's see what happens. Thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, keep supporting us. Follow us on our Instagram page. Thank you guys. Meet you in next episode.